I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Korean cabbage salad. It's a lovely crunchy salad with classic Korean seasonings, soy sauce, molasses, toasted sesame oil, and some sesame seeds on it. So I'm going to use a Napa cabbage, which is an Asian cabbage. It's long and it's got curly leaves. Another common Asian cabbage is the bok choy. So this is a baby bok choy. And they're different, but they're both used in Asian recipes. I'm going to break off a couple of leaves. Going to finely shred them. Going to cut them fine, kind of coleslaw thickness. And I'm going to mix this with some grated carrot and also some chopped green onion. I'm going to add some sesame seeds. These are brown sesame seeds. You can use white hulled sesame seeds. You can also use black sesame seeds, which give it some nice extra color. And some soy sauce, some toasted sesame oil, and some molasses. Gonna toss that all up together. And there you have a Korean cabbage salad.